Alright, so let's try this again. I'm not yet sure if... Yes, we're streaming again. Okay. Very cool. So, it should now work again. Not sure if the chat works, but I will keep an eye on it. Yeah, so my internet just crashed again. My whole technical setup is a kind of a mess, to be honest. So you wanted to actually search something, right? And then just everything crashed, which is weird. Okay. And it's still going. My CPU kind of explodes right now. Okay. It's still pending. Not sure what's happening, to be honest. Like, this is really weird. I'm thinking of restarting the system again. Because again, it doesn't happen on my other system at all. It doesn't happen on the demo instance. Like, what the hell? Just stop responding. API Silk also not working. Okay, what the hell? It died somehow. I don't know. Okay, so we got a 401. Given token not valid, alright. So maybe it was just that and not a timeout. So let's try this again. Okay, what the hell? I haven't even changed anything, and he says like he does now 8K queries. Like, of course it's crashing. Oh man. Yeah, most database queries, like, what? Yeah, that's my search. So let's check this out. He queries like 1,000,000 times API user, not sure why. So let's see, let's click on that. It's just that we look that up. All right. So let's go to the backend. I don't actually know what the URL is for search, so search list view set. That's on search. All right, so let's go here. Okay, we have this one here. All right, we are not fetching the users, but can I see the history? Hello. Yeah, so I definitely didn't touch this file in a while, so not sure why this is happening. Yeah, so we basically have two different query sets. For one, we do this one thing, and for the other, we do the other thing. And I guess I just missed something here. I could have sworn that that worked, man. Like, seriously. Okay, so let's copy that. Okay, and same for that one. So weird. Okay, so we have to oh no, I lost that search. And then I have to import Q. Would be really great if this just and prefetch, right? So okay. Okay, so and I have to import obviously user. Okay, so now we should be a bit faster. And as you can see, this is now working. And it also should be faster. To test this again, like, again, no idea why that was happening. Like, that's not great. So let's clear the database, and then we push that. Maybe I changed something on the serializer, but actually I didn't, right? Because it was a long time ago that I changed anything. Ah, all right, cool. It crashed again. Like seriously, I'm going to buy a new one. Like it's so annoying. Okay, so we now have a lot of RQ available fees, and now we just go and enter here. Now we have here this query. We got the result basically back immediately. Let's reload. And yeah, so it still took a second. What? Why though? Another test. Okay, no images found. That seems faster, right? And like this is also broken. What the hell? This kind of makes me not want to work on it. Uh, 100. That's like the worst thing with API Silk. It doesn't remember how you want it to be saved. Here we go. It took like 43 milliseconds. Yes, that sounds about right. Okay, so if I do now video, he just says nothing found. Huh, I was swearing that I could do that before. Exif timestamp. Search captions, locations, face, person, name, exif timestamp, and image path. These are the search fields. So let's do video, I guess. Yeah, wow, now I guess I have to write true, right? Ha! And then I find the videos. Not what I want, to be honest. So, search fields, Boolean by phrase. I don't know, something like that. Okay. Starts with search, full text search, regex search, okay. Title, ordering fields, no. I just want to make it easier to look up a Boolean value. Boolean field? Yeah, but I want to input video and then he should like return videos. Like, come on, that can't be that hard. By name. I mean, we probably would have. We probably need to do this also for like deleted and hidden and stuff like that, right? So it sounds like a useful thing. And like again, I'm completely sidetracked. Search filter. Django REST. Boolean. Boys, I just want to for effective Boolean filtering you have to use jar filter, alright? Oh man, so much stuff. Alright, so whatever. Let's go back to search. Captions, locations, name, timestamp, image path, video. I still have to maybe do it another way. I know how to filter. That's so stupid. I just want to input video and then we should get back all the other stuff. Like, what is happening? Trace to Boolean field. You need to pass query set filter backends like this, okay? And he uses a container Django filter backend. In_use, okay. All right, I will just put a to-do in here. So stupid. Search.py. Can remove this. Search for video. Okay, maybe GitHub Pilot can save us. No. Sad. Okay. To do allow searching for videos. Okay, save. All right. So I guess that's the first bug that wasn't even documented. Love it. Stage changes, git commit. It's reformatted, stage changes. Okay, cool. Git commit. So, okay, so first bug fixed, even though it wasn't our bug. Yeah, very cool that I can't reproduce the other issue. Yeah. It happens. No. That's also an issue, like you can't even pause it any longer. So we somehow managed to do it. So at first let's... you'd have to loop over all photo objects and add a line to change search captions field when importing also if it's a video. Right, but like that's not a possible option because... So the basic issue is that we have now a lot of users who have like really large data sets, and so if I loop over, I don't know, 1 million images, that is going to explode in complexity very fast, and then it basically, yeah, doesn't work, I think. Okay, so the chat changed because I restarted everything, I guess. Hey! So now you're also visible on stream. Awesome. So, yeah. But there has to be like a better solution for it. I don't know, maybe we need like Elasticsearch for it. So an actual search engine or something. But but awesome that you are watching my stream now. Yeah, as you can see, a lot has changed. We switched now UI frameworks and stuff like that. Yeah, and now I have a lot of issues, like small ones and big ones. So I want to mute this tab. Yes, mute site, here we go. So that I don't get copyright striked. So now it works, but if I go like this, does it now disappear? No, that also works. I don't understand when this happens. So the bug I'm currently having is that sometimes this thing disappears and not reappears. And if we tested that, it worked in the search view. So I could reproduce the issue, I mean. So yes, my completely legal copy. Let's copy that path. Awesome. Yeah, if you want, you can obviously still contribute, right? I'm still looking for other contributors because it's quite a large project, especially if you want to like polish it up a bit. So there are just like a lot of moving parts, and a lot of stuff that, yeah, you could improve. All right, so here it's disappearing, right? Okay, so now we actually found a way to reproduce it. So if we're in the search view for some reason and click on it, then it doesn't work. So when I click on that, I always get a 404 error. And that's interesting. So let's see if we also get this error in the other view. All right. Yes, we also get the issue, but here it works now. That's so weird. Okay, so let's go to the photo Lightbox and maybe read the code. Maybe I missed something. All right, I have a lot of force update function calls, which didn't do anything, if I remember right. So I thought I was fixing like moving from one image to the next, like this. But sometimes it still looks wrong. Right. For example, here, like the image isn't centered completely. And if I make it larger now, oh no, then it works. Okay. But if I now go here, okay, now obviously it works. Oh, awesome. Yeah, I hate not reproducible bugs. Okay, so let's click on here. It disappears, of course. So let's click. What is happening? Okay. Maybe it has something to do with the index, but I don't know. It's kind of weird. Let's look into the components. So if I click here, then the component should be React Player. So this all works. Okay. React. So the controls are technically still there. Volume null. Okay. Show preview false. Okay. It's also like automatically continuing. That's weird. Okay, we have a weird state issue, I think. So let's go to React Player, right? So force update, photo details is loaded. Okay, we're not using that right now. Can remove that. Right. So we're not doing actually anything with React Player, which is interesting. So why is it disappearing? Okay, so one thing we could try is just stop using force update. That could work. All right. Reload. So if I click here, it still works. That still works. Okay. That also works, I think. Cool. All right, so let's pick the path again. Okay, so let's click on it. And it's still happening, okay. That is not working. Pause. It's also very weird that he continues. Okay, so let's close this up again. Let's see when he re-renders. Okay. Such a weird issue. Okay, so let's copy that in again. Let's click here and let's see what the console says. Okay, he's continuously re-rendering for some strange reason. Okay, so let's go to photo list view, Lightbox. Okay, photo list view component, right. Okay, so here we have all the different states. So if I click on that, then we have our state true here. Then it's closed, all right. Okay, maybe it's an issue with the library, React Player functional component. Okay. They are saying that I should just put a ref in there. I still don't actually understand when to use a ref and when not. It's kind of random. Because like obviously sometimes it's working. Okay, so Lightbox. Let's try that. No overloaded calls to match this. Okay. I think I will just update the thing. That does not work. But I will keep it in mind. Maybe that could actually work. So, save. React player. All right. It's definitely an old version. Let's bump this. So let's close and restart. So let's open up a new terminal. The terminal still crashes if I close it up. No, this time it worked. Amazing. Sometimes it crashes. So I don't need that. Yes, please. Here we go. Okay. So let's see if this is going to work or not. I also don't like that he doesn't have any release notes. I mean, even I have like release notes. But I think I will still look through issues. Maybe I can find something. All right. So it could be actually a bug, I don't know. Okay, so everything is now downloaded again. So let's copy that, remove that. Localhost. If I click here, everything is still behaving like normal. Amazing. If I click here. No, it still is happening. It is driving me crazy. Okay. So that was not it. So let's see if I click here. I mean, I also had this in here that we had like the missing controls, and it's also constantly re-rendering, so that's not really the issue. Okay. Each chart in a list should have a unique key prop. Okay. Components. So let's see. No. Okay. Picture in picture, does that work? No. Okay, he didn't like something. Scroll to warning. Modal person added, right. Sidebar. And React Player also has like this warning. So what the hell? Let's click on that. Is he also complaining here? Yes, okay. So weird that it's working here. So is it also working in different views? Let's add it to an album. Album. My albums. What is happening? Okay, he did not like that. Selected items is not defined in photo list view component. Okay. Okay, it's only happening there. I see. So that was an issue. That is also probably new. Okay. Another bug found. Yes. Compile, please. And it is loading and works. Awesome. And if I click here, the controls also work. Okay. Maybe it has something to do if we have like multiple photo list views. Maybe it's like in the background or something. And then he doesn't like it. No, it still works fine. So it has nothing to do with the video. It's just sometimes it happens, I guess. Yeah, and then that's driving me insane. Okay. So I found another bug, so let's push that first, because otherwise I will forget it again. Yeah, so this whole thing does not need to be pushed, but we can definitely push this one. Yes. Fix model. Album share. Okay. Okay, so that crashed. Awesome. Identify unsafe lifecycles. Certain legacy lifestyle methods are unsafe for use in async React applications. Okay. So let's add React strict mode, I guess. I have no idea what that does, to be honest. Oops. Let's add this here. Yes. All right. So let's see. Oh god, too many windows, I can't see anything. Let's go to console. Okay, so who's actually using component will mount in strict mode? Okay. I don't want to fork this code yet. To just component will. Do I have like a component will mount thing? Yeah, so that is definitely not working. Will unmount, will mount. React image lightbox. Okay, so the lightbox itself is using something unsafe. That's obviously great. Not. So the issue is the lightbox actually. Interesting. Interesting. So that looks like a bigger refactor, to be honest. Null is not assignable to type string. So if I use just that, does that work? All right. I will take a short break and I will be back. And then we will look at this again and maybe we will find something. Alright, so let's look into it again. He is complaining about this because, well, we right now use like a fork of it, and that fork yeah, it's basically just that thing with something else integrated, so that's probably just a small thing. I still just don't know, like, And it crashed again. All right. Not sure. Do I now have to re-implement React Image Lightbox? So here's the source. How much code is it? Oh God. This would be a big refactor, to be honest. So, okay. So the error maybe comes from React Lightbox image thing E. So that could be interesting. Yeah. Still not sure though. I mean, there has to be something in here. The unsafe thing, and we have like the thumbnail he tries to get. So I don't know. I could look into components, right? And then we look up Lightbox and see what's happening. So why is he trying to load the next source? Because there shouldn't be any next source. Alright, so let's look into that issue. Because we right now only have like one image, so he shouldn't look into anything else. So, right. So, get picture URL, get next ID returns the current image, which is weird. Yeah, he really thinks that the next image is that one. Okay, so let's look into it. So, well, maybe it's because we completely roll over. That could be the thing, but I don't know. I don't know. Of course it crashed. Let's try something else. React. So maybe it's actually reloading all the time, right? So const memo react player. So that could be a thing. So let's try that. So let's click here. That is still working. And that is not working. So another thing we could try is just, I don't know, admin area, like activate experimental transcoding. There has to be something there. No, still not working. I don't know. It's tricky. It's like a puzzle, but I'm not good at it. Okay, so let's remove strict mode. We now just know, okay, Lightbox is kind of hacky. We should refactor that, which is fine. So I don't know. It's weird. It's just very weird, you know. Maybe it behaves more consistently if I put this into its own function, right? Const get video component. Doesn't even have to be a function, to be honest. Yeah, I know. Why are you complaining? Alright, reload. It's very difficult to debug bugs that don't have errors. Like, seriously. Okay. It still disappears, no. Okay. Another thing I ask myself right now is, do we actually need that, or can I just do this? I mean, that would be cleaner. Not even trying. Yeah, no, he doesn't like that. All right. Unsafe. Life. Cycle. Management. Okay, so that still works. I think we just have to somehow figure out how Lightbox is actually blocking it. And that will take a while. So, oh, come on, dude. I'm again noticing that I need more RAM in my dev machine. Everything is just crashing. Okay. All right. Let's try that again. So that works. Clicking does not work. So let's select this. Display block, why? So that works, but everything on the main component does not work. So these buttons are working. I don't know. How is this happening? Ah! Okay, I have no idea why this is happening. Like, I really tried, but nothing is actually materializing. That shouldn't make any difference, to be honest, but whatever. Value must be omitted. Yeah, okay. I know that. Okay, so what happens if I remove playing? Does this change anything? So now I have to click to start. And if I click here, then I can actually click everything. All right. It's also stopping, but I can't click it. Fascinating. Here I can click it, and if I go here, it actually selects also the right element. So somehow the previous image is overlapping, which is really weird. Lightbox, RARBG. So the issue is that the last image is erroring out, and that's why I can't click it. So can I remove this? It actually is. What the freaking hell? Okay. I'm kind of losing it. Lightbox. Okay, how the hell do I do this now? Okay, I click on that, and then everything is... So somehow it's blocking everything. But it's just in the div. So what can I do instead of display block? Yes, alright, block. Okay, I'm getting closer to it. Okay, React image lightbox style.css. Right, that's what I want to change. So it's not even in here. At least I found the issue. But now I don't know how to fix it. Real image pref. Real image pref. When error on one of the loads, then push custom error stuff. Okay. I think it still has to do with the error, so we could fix that. So if the previous image errors out, then we have an issue, basically. So let's do a console log on previous, which again should be image. Console. All right. So let's reload, I think. Here we go. It still doesn't work. Okay, it's still the same thing, so that's not the issue. Thumbnails big still gets loaded, so that could be maybe the issue. Okay. So let's do this. So, but I don't get why I never got the other thing. Hey, the 21st days. I have a really weird error that I have to fix right now, and it's kind of annoying. Okay, so please chill. I said tears ignore, bro. Unexpected token? What? Oh, what did I do wrong? Looks fine to me. In sidebar, what? Okay, let's go back. Okay, we feel like a little error. Okay, and now he's only complaining about the other stuff, so let's do that. Let's do that. Does this work? Comma expected? What? Does this work? Let's go. The expected type comes from property main source, which is declared here. No overloaded call matches for. But I did a tiers ignore, bro. Why? So the issue we have is that the previous image, if it errors out, overlays over the current image, and then you can click the current image, which leads to controls disappearing and you can't do anything about it. Yeah. So that's fun. Oh man. Okay, let's go back. And it completely freaks out. What the hell? I know. But I said ignore. Oh my god. Okay, he still complains. Where's the readme? Readme, here we go. Main custom content, next custom content, previous custom content. All right. Next display component if next source is not defined. Defaults to now. All right. Undefined. Okay, he does like if I use it like that. All right. All right, so I think I now implemented that. I don't think that I need that any longer. I think I can just do an undefined here too, and then I also don't need that. Okay, no, he's still complaining. All right, let's go back and back. Would be too easy, I guess. Okay, cool. So that worked. Let's see if it works. The thing is that this issue should have happened before, but nobody actually told me that. Holy shit, it works. That is amazing. Cool. So let's do I actually fixed the bug. It only took 2 hours. Amazing. Alright, so let's test it a bit and then push it. Hey, GG easy, definitely. Like, it was such a weird bug. Very hard to debug because the diff was like transparent, but you couldn't click through it. Very difficult. Alright, so pause that. That works. Let's see if I get copyright strike, right? Because I'm clicking like 24/7 on a Disney movie. So let's click that. It still works. Amazing. Okay, so I think it should work. It was an issue because of video component stuff. Yeah, cool. All right, so let's see. Yeah, I also should click on normal images. So I click here. That works. That also works. Works, that works, that works, that works, that works. Seems to work. All right. Stage changes. Git, commit, no verify, fix, control, issue. React player control issue. React player control issue. Here we go. Let's push this. Jesus Christ. So I don't know. I mean, now I even know of another bug, so I guess I have to fix it now. So settings. Let's go here, top 50, update. And let's click here. And if we go now here to that thing, it just crashes. No. We have an issue with the semantic search thing, which probably most users don't use because it's kind of hidden. Come on, like, okay, that's currently really bad to test. Because apparently all my RAM is gone again. Close others. Here we go. So let's go to, that is probably in search actions, and right, that's kind of stupid. So we just assume that we only use the one thing, what we don't, but we don't. So to do handle, what the hell? Handle flat list from semantic search. And I guess then it should work again. Not sure. Oh wow, it even killed my Docker containers. Amazing. So let's kill that. Yeah, that's not great. All right, so let's recreate this. Are you co-piloting? I used GitHub Copilot if you mean that. But yeah, if you have any like issues you found, you can just throw them in the chat. All right, so let's see if this is working now. But my RAM usage is again very high. It's very weird, like Linux has like weird memory issues. Like the base image doesn't need a lot of RAM, but once you opened up a couple of programs, it just doesn't free them any longer. Like I never have like memory issues in Windows, even if you have like low amounts of RAM, but like Linux is very bad when it comes to handling this stuff. So, okay, that works. Amazing. Semantic search should be still on. So let's do mountain. And it is working again. Awesome. And as you can see, you see all the mountains, right? Which most people don't know about this feature, but like it works quite well. I still think that like something in the sorting is like wrong, right? Because like that's clearly mountain, here's clearly a mountain, that's clearly a mountain, but that's a dog. So yeah, I was asking about GitHub Copilot, but no issues. Couldn't spot anything in unknown codes. Yeah, I mean it's not on hard code base. It's really easy to find issues, to be honest. Like there are a lot of issues. So, but that works. So I can push this. Yeah, GitHub Copilot is pretty awesome. Like, I'm not complaining about it. I mean, it also makes kind of sense because it's an open source project and it's all, well, yeah, sure, it's a Docker on a mountain, but right, like, I don't know. It shouldn't be that high up on the list, right? So I think the algorithm should be like a bit more cautious about this, and there were clearly a couple of images which are clearly not mountains. But yeah. So, but we are going to fix that for now. Git commit no verify. Fix by not checking. Semantic search by not checking type. Very good fix. Just don't check the type. All right, very cool. So we also did that. I think I can go through the list again, but I think I'm done for today because I already worked on this for 2 hours and my brain is fried. Ooh, I got a new pull request. Fancy. All right. I wanted to look through issues and I'm again sidetracked. Like it's so easy for me to get sidetracked. I only look like for 1 second into a file. I'm like, oh, let me fix this right now. And then I'm just 3 hours into this whole mess. Should be fixed now. Smiley face, close with comment. And I have the weird issue that every time I close an issue, like two new ones pop up, like every time. It's way too much. Dark mode, issues, usability issues. Yeah, we have a lot of them. Generating schema issues. That's also a thing. So many bugs. Alright, so I think I'm done for today. We actually found the issue. It was way better than last time with the photo list component, which was kind of buggy, but now it works. Yeah, if you like my video, please like and subscribe. You can sponsor me on GitHub sponsors if you want to help me out, and if you found a bug, leave a comment. Alright, see you next time.